Listen up, people. I'm gonna give it to you straight. Becoming an influencer isn't about faking it. It's about being real. It's about passion. You gotta love what you do. That's the secret sauce. Without passion, you're just another face in the crowd. With it, you're unstoppable.
Think about it. What gets you fired up? What makes you jump out of bed in the morning? That's your niche. That's your gold mine. Don't try to be something you're not. People can smell bullshit from a mile away. They crave authenticity. They want real connections. Give them that and they'll follow you to the ends of the earth.
Your authenticity is your superpower. It's what sets you apart from the crowd. Don't be afraid to show your flaws. Share your struggles. People connect with that. They want to see the real you, the messy, imperfect, beautiful you. That's what builds trust. That's what creates loyal followers.
Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, it takes hustle, but if you're passionate about what you do, it won't feel like work, it'll feel like living. So find your passion, be authentic. The rest will follow. Trust me on this one.
All right, let's talk brand identity. This is crucial, folks. Your brand is your promise to your audience. It's who you are, what you stand for. It's your voice in a noisy world. So you better make it count. You need to stand out, be memorable, be you.
Start by defining your values. What do you believe in? What's your mission? This isn't just fluff, it's the core of your brand. It guides everything you do, every post, every video, every interaction. It should all align with your values. Consistency is key. It builds trust. It creates recognition.
Now let's talk visuals. Your brand needs a look, a feel. Choose colors that represent you. Create a logo that speaks to your audience. Design templates for your content. Make it cohesive. Make it recognizable. When people see your content, they should know it's you before they even read your name.
But here's the kicker. Your brand isn't set in stone. It evolves. As you grow, your brand grows with you. Stay true to your core, but don't be afraid to adapt. Listen to your audience. Watch the trends. Stay relevant, but always stay authentic. That's how you build a brand that lasts.
Let's get down to business. Content is king. It's how you connect, how you provide value, how you stand out. But here's the thing. It's not about quantity. It's about quality. Every piece of content should serve a purpose. It should educate, entertain, or inspire, preferably all three.
Know your audience. What do they want? What do they need? Create content that answers their questions, solves their problems, makes their lives better. Use different formats, mix it up, videos, photos, blogs, podcasts. Keep it fresh, keep them coming back for more.
Here's a pro tip. Document, don't create. Share your journey, your struggles, your wins. People love behind-the-scenes content. It's real, it's relatable, it builds connection, and it's easy to produce. You're living it anyway, might as well share it.
Remember, consistency is key. Set a schedule and stick to it. Your audience should know when to expect new content. But don't sacrifice quality for quantity. It's better to post less often, but make every post count. And always engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, start conversations. That's how you build a community. That's how you turn followers into fans, fans into advocates. It takes time, it takes effort, but it's worth it. Use hashtags strategically. They're not just decorations, they're discovery tools. Research relevant hashtags in your niche. Use a mix of popular and niche-specific ones. Create your own branded hashtag. Encourage your followers to use it. It builds community. It increases visibility. It's free marketing. Use it wisely. Engagement is a two-way street. Don't just post and ghost. Interact. Reply to comments, join conversations, show up in your DMs, build relationships. You want followers who care, who interact, who share your content. Choose your platforms wisely. You don't need to be everywhere. Focus on where your audience is. Master those platforms, learn the algorithms, understand what works, what doesn't. Experiment, try new features, be an early adopter. That's how you stay ahead of the game. But it's not about the numbers, it's about engagement, quality over quantity, always. Section 4, growing your tribe, building a loyal social media following. Listen up, social media is your playground. It's where you connect, where you grow, where you build your tribe. Section 5, mastering brand collaborations for maximum impact. All right, let's talk money. Brand collaborations are where the rubber meets the road. It's how you turn your influence into income.
But here's the deal. It's not about taking every offer that comes your way. It's about choosing the right partners. Ones that align with your values, your audience, your brand.
When you're starting out, you might be tempted to say yes to everything. Don't. It's better to have fewer high-quality collaborations than a bunch of random ones. Your audience trusts you. Don't betray that trust for a quick buck. They'll see right through it. And once trust is gone, it's hard to get back.
Here's how you do it right. Research the brands you want to work with. Reach out to them. Show them why you're a good fit, what value you can bring. Be professional. Have a media kit ready. Know your worth. Don't undersell yourself. But also be realistic. As you grow, so will your rates.
When you do collaborate, be transparent. Disclose sponsored content. It's not just the law, it's the right thing to do. And here's the kicker. Make sponsored content as good as, if not better than, your regular content. Put in the extra effort. Make it authentic. Make it valuable. That's how you keep your audience happy and the brands coming back for more. Section 6, monetization strategies, turning influence into income. Let's get real about making money. Brand deals are great, but they're just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many ways to monetize your influence. You just got to be creative. Think outside the box. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income streams.
Affiliate marketing is a goldmine if you do it right. Promote products you actually use and love. Be honest about the pros and cons. Your audience trusts your opinion. Don't abuse that trust. Use unique affiliate links or codes. Track your performance. See what works, what doesn't. Adjust accordingly.
Digital products are another great option. Ebooks, courses, templates, presets, whatever expertise you have, package it up, sell it. It's passive income at its finest. Create it once, sell it many times, but make sure it's high quality. Make sure it provides real value. Your reputation is on the line.
Don't forget about services, coaching, consulting, speaking engagements. As your influence grows, so does the demand for your expertise. Charge what you're worth. And here's a pro tip. Create different tiers of offerings. Make your expertise accessible at different price points, from one-on-one coaching to group programs to self-paced courses. There's something for everyone.
Section 7, leveraging Go High Level to scale your influencer business. All right, let's talk tools, specifically Go High Level. This is a game changer, folks. It's not just another tool. It's an all-in-one platform that can take your influencer business to the next level. It's about working smarter, not harder. And in this game, efficiency is everything.
GHL is like your digital Swiss Army knife. It's got everything you need. CRM? Check. Email marketing? Check. SMS marketing? Check. Funnel builder? Check. It's all there, in one place. No more juggling multiple tools. No more wasted time. No more lost opportunities. It's streamlined, it's efficient, it's powerful.
And here's where it gets good. GHL lets you automate your workflows, set up sequences, trigger actions based on behavior. It's like having a virtual assistant that works 24/7. It nurtures your leads. It follows up with potential clients. It keeps your audience engaged all while you sleep. That's leverage, my friends. That's how you scale.
But here's the kicker. GHL isn't just about automation. It's about data. It gives you insights, real-time analytics. You can see what's working, what's not. You can make informed decisions, adjust your strategy on the fly. It's like having a crystal ball for your business. Use it wisely. Let the data guide you. That's how you stay ahead of the game. That's how you win in the long run.